Yo, praise God for another day, y'all. It's raining today. It's a pretty cold day in Florida. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all know I'm from Detroit. I ain't really used to, I never expected to ever be cold in Florida, but today is one of them days. And the vibe today is kind of my purpose of this video. I just feel a little deep right now. I want to get a little deep with those. I know people are craving authentic deepness now, right? So this inspired me to create content, right? And you read the title. I want to start telling y'all, like, start choosing yourself more, right? Start choosing who you are, right? Who you really are. And who you really are is not the person you is when you nervous or you are, right? Not the person you are when you're nervous. Not the person you are when you're fearful. Not the person you are when you're making decisions to please other people. Who you are is the decisions you want to make, right? Or I would say the decisions that your values are telling you to make, right? Because you might not want to do something just because you might not feel like doing it, but your values deep in you is telling you the right thing for you to do is to do this, right? And it's a gray area, I know, right? We get so caught up in trying to please people, y'all, and that's something like at 27, I'm finally getting out of that phase, I would say. I think a lot of people go through that, especially in your early teens, late, 18, 19. You want to please everybody, right? So you don't really choose who you are. You choose who you think you are, or you choose who you think everybody wants you to be, right? And this level of maturity is like freeing me to just be me. Like, who am I, right? I'm a naturally introverted, empathetic, deep thinking person, right? That's who I am. Why should I keep fighting who I am to be like somebody who's not like me naturally, right? I'm not the most social person, but I do have great, deep relationships, right? I'm more about quality over quantity, right? I don't need 20 friends. I'd rather have three close, genuine friends. But right? When I don't choose myself, what do I normally do? I try to start being broad. I try to start creating a whole lot of different friends when in reality, I know who I really am. This don't mean don't get out your comfort zone. You got to get out your comfort zone. If you don't never talk to people just because of fear, you're not being you. You being a fearful version of you. But if you want friends, right? You'll get out there and make friends. It's not just about making friends, right? It's about any decision you make. Like, just start choosing you, right? Like, it's so deep. Like, I watch Moana, y'all. I got a daughter, but I will admit, I watched Moana before I had a daughter, right? I ain't gonna blame it on my daughter, but I put Moana on a lot for her to watch. And one thing I love her grandma always tell her that's very inspirational is like choosing who you are. When I first seen the movie, I ain't really get it, but the more I watch it and see it, like those scenes, I'm like, choosing who you are, right? What you really want deep down inside you. It's inside you. And you know what it is, right? You know what it is. You know what you want to do. You know who you really are deep down. The only thing that keep us confused, right? Excuse me, and lost is that we fear choosing that person, choosing who we are, right? And I'm here today to tell you, good or bad, whatever type of person you really are, right? Whatever it is, good, bad, right, wrong, perfect. Nobody's perfect, right? Just start making decisions that you genuinely want to make, right? Start small with it. I'm not saying nothing crazy, like nothing too crazy. I'm just saying, like, just start doing stuff you want to do, right? It start there. Feel me? So I hope this hits somebody today. I hope this hits your soul, right? I hope this is something that's gonna make you be like, am I really choosing me right now? And what can I do to choose me more? So start choosing you. I'm Rasta, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. More content is coming. Because guess what? The way I shoot videos now is me. I rather keep it simple, right? I'm going to get it set up and all that good stuff. But just doing this when I feel it, right? When I feel it in my soul to put it out there, this who I am. So I chose to do this video. So again, if you out there, start choosing you. I'm out.